Yo, what's up, good people? It's your one and only boy, Putty, hitting out from the 32 underscore South Buffets. You know what it is, you know what's up, from the Devon Street to the global stage, baby. Let's go. And now I'm with
So boy Ace, aka the gift report.
H. It's about 10,000 girlfriend allowance.
I felt me thinking sure and I'm using more vibes. That's all I can say, bro. And I'm using more vibes. So 10,001. If it's now a whole lot 10,000, so for 10,010. But of a million cat, it's at December, man. If it's a bo, Liwe zinc and if it's so scafe zinc on common to talk.
Kusho ukuthi inewe nje singasho ukuthi okwamanje fethu ababe resta kancane bephumule uDecember ama relationship abe ku on hold. So abona next year January. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and also follow the channel. Okay, ngathi safisa ukukhuluma ubaba.
Now, what I want to say, guys, y'all need to tap into OTV, by the way, guys. Tap into OTV, bro. Please do that shit, bro.
Let me peep.
Yeah, it's OTV, boy.
Bye.
By praise.
By praise.
Yeah.
OTV by praise. Shout out, guys. And also don't forget, ni like, ni subscribe, ni follow nayo. Ni bone some amazing content coming out from the nigga from Tongat. Danko.